Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2010 Dodge Challenger, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to change your headlight bulbs in this car. It's actually a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this, but I'll show it to you. Let's pop the hood, raise it up, move the ledge to the right, or to the left, sorry, and okay. Here we have access to our bulbs. Right here we have this cover which we have to remove. Okay, so just remove the cover. Then we have access to our headlight bulb. So here we have our bulbs. Okay, so this one right here is our headlight bulb. Okay, and now how do we replace it? What we do, we take the bulb with our hands right here and we spin it. So we spin it, and then pull out like this. As you can see, very simple. Now to remove the bulb, you have to first pull on this red pin. You can get it out, either just move it here aside, and then you're able to press here this and pull the bulb off from its housing like this. Okay, as you can see, very simple. So then you go to parts store, get replacement bulb. Okay, this is H13 size bulb, and just get the replacement bulb. Once you have the replacement bulb, same way, connect it, put the red pin back in. Okay, and wiggle it in and spin it so it's nice and solid like this. Okay, it has to be nice and solid. That's it. That's pretty much it. Very simple. One thing more, I'm gonna put back this cover here. And that's it. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.